Welcome to the QuantumFX Maverick EA YouTube video. In today's video, we're excited to introduce you to QuantumFX Maverick EA, your ultimate choice for profitable and reliable trading in 2024. QuantumFX Maverick EA offers an array of features, including multi-currency profits, market extreme strategies, Hedge Trading Excellence low drawdown profits, broker account flexibility recommended account conditions. Multi-currency trading, QuantumFX Maverick EA is designed to work with 7 major currency pairs, including EUR/USD, GBP/USD, EUR/GBP, USD CAD, USD CHF, AUD CAD, and NZD USD. This means you can diversify your portfolio and maximize your potential gains by trading multiple currency pairs simultaneously. Market extreme strategies. QuantumFX Maverick EA excels in identifying market extremes. It can recognize when prices hit the top or bottom of their range. When this happens, the EA strategically pulls back to find an optimal entry point. It employs secret trading strategies that secure profitable positions while minimizing risks. Hedge trading approach. Unlike some riskier trading methods, QuantumFX Maverick EA follows a hedge trading approach. This means it places trades to protect your investments from sudden market fluctuations. It doesn't rely on risky martingale lots or arbitraging, ensuring a safer trading experience. Low drawdown profits. The EA is engineered to make consistent profits with minimal drawdown. This means you can enjoy stable and predictable returns without compromising the stability of your trading account. Broker account flexibility. QuantumFX Maverick EA is compatible with various types of trading accounts, making it accessible to traders with different preferences. It also features a hidden close trade capability, allowing for greater control over your trades. Recommended account conditions. To fully leverage the potential of QuantumFX Maverick EA, it's recommended to have a minimum account balance of $2,000, a leverage of 1, 500, and a swap-free account. Proven performance. You can track the real-time performance of QuantumFX Maverick EA on our MyWexbook page, linked to MyWexbook. This page provides detailed statistics on the EA's performance, allowing you to see its track record and results. With QuantumFX Maverick EA, you can expect benefits like consistent returns, automated trading risk, minimization. Our users love QuantumFX Maverick EA for its reliable performance and ease of use. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your trading with QuantumFX Maverick EA. Download it now and witness the future of automated trading. Thank you for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave your questions and comments below.